The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable smartphone under Note series in China called Redmi Note 14, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 14 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2100 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, paired with IMG BXM8 256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 68 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi Note 14 5G features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5110 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Dual Band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IR Blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 75.7 by 7.99mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 14 5G has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Midnight Black, Phantom Blue, and Star White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.